In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a button in Squarespace. Buttons are those clear, clickable calls to action that guide visitors to the next step: reading more, booking, subscribing, or checking out. We'll walk through placing a button, giving it a strong label, and attaching the right link so it takes people exactly where you want them to go. Start by adding a new content block in the spot where you want your button to appear. When you're in the page editor and hovering near a section, you'll see the option to add block. Click that. This opens the block library, which is a catalog of everything you can drop onto the page: text, images, forms, and of course, buttons. If the panel is crowded, use the search bar to quickly find what you need. Next, choose the button block. Click it once to insert it into the layout. You'll see a placeholder button appear right where you added it. If the placement feels slightly off, don't worry. You can fine-tune the position later by moving the block within the section. For now, the goal is simply to add the button to the page. Now, open the button's editing options. Hover over the button you just added and click the pencil icon to edit. This brings up the settings panel for the button, where you control what it says and where it goes. Think of this panel as the command center for your call to action. Enter the text for your button. Keep it short, clear, and action-focused. Phrases like book now, get started, learn more, or subscribe today work well because they set expectations and prompt action. Avoid vague labels like click here. Your site's design settings will handle the styling, so your main task here is to choose words that are specific and compelling for your audience. Next, click attach link. This is how you turn the button from a static element into a working call to action. The button will stay visible without a link, but attaching a destination is what makes it useful. Finally, choose what the button should link to. You can connect it to an existing page on your site for a seamless internal path, or paste another URL to send visitors to an external destination. Pick the option that best supports your goal for this page. When you're done, the button will be ready to guide visitors exactly where you want them to go. That's it. Simple, clear, and effective.